I keep making videos explaining how you can make money with cryptocurrency. And I keep explaining to people that the best way to make money with cryptocurrency is to trade, to scalp trade. That means you buy and you sell multiple times a day, and you play the graph normally on a 15-minute graph. So to learn how to do that, it's quite complicated, but it's not hard. You just have to learn how to do it. However, you're going to need some money. And the best way to do this is with Flash cryptocurrency, because your risk is basically eliminated. What is Flash cryptocurrency? It's a token that actually operates just like a real token. But, however, to a certain extent, it's not. Now, a lot of people will try to sell you Flash that deposits and disappears later on and works for a little bit and is just basically garbage. But if you want something real, I'm going to explain exactly what we offer. We have 3 packages, and they start at $250, $3,500, and $7,500. If you buy one, upgrading only costs the difference. So $250 to upgrade to package 2, it's $3,250. To upgrade to package 3, it's $4,250. If you buy package 2 and you upgrade, you only pay the difference. And if you buy package 3 right away from the beginning, you get everything for free. So package 1 is a simple token. It will only show the logo of USDT in your Trust wallet, but that's all it will do. You can transfer it to anybody else without a custom contract. You can pretty much do whatever you want with it within Trust Wallet or MetaMask. It just shows the logo. It looks like USDT, but that's all you can do. Package 2 has more than one coin. It has USDT, USDC, BTC, and USDT, USDC, BTC, YFI, and DAI, 5 coins. And they look exactly like the real coins on Trust Wallet. They do not disappear. You can send them from one wallet to another without a custom contract or anything like that, just like package 1. However, you can also deposit on Binance. So you can send USDT and USDC on Binance, and they deposit, but you can't trade. That costs $3,500. Now the ultimate package, which is package 3, is USDT TRC20. This deposits into your Binance. You can trade it. How? You take a loan against it. They'll usually give you 60 to 70% depending on your KYC level. You can send it to pretty much any exchange except for Coinbase, because they don't have USDT TRC20. You take a loan against it and you can scalp trade, or you could probably stake it if you just want to make, guaranteed money. You can scalp trade and make $500, $1,000, $2,000 a day, and you can take that profit out without any issues. The problem is you actually have to sit there and trade. Now, if you just send it Trust Wallet to Trust Wallet, it works absolutely fine. If you send it to somebody as a payment, it looks absolutely fine. It works absolutely fine. You cannot convert it to BTC and then send that out. You could take a loan against it in BTC and you can send that out, but then you're liable to pay the full amount. Now, you've paid $7,500 for a package that gives you $1 million in USDT, plus every time you want to create another $1 million, because you have access to a platform, you pay another $500 approximately, it's a little bit less, in Tron gas fees. So you can create millions and millions and millions. However, sending a large amount to a centralized exchange could flag your account, because if you send $10 million, for example, to Binance, they're going to ask you where you got the $10 million from. So you don't send $1 million into your account at once. You send 50,000, 20,000, little by little, unless you have a really high KYC level and you're able to justify where you got $1 million from. You shouldn't send that much. Now, if you'd like more information, you can go ahead and contact me. My information's in the description.